What's up, online shoppers? I just got the coolest thing in the mail from a brand. They sent me this product in exchange for a review, so I'm going to give you my first impressions of the TheraIce Sleep Mask and tell you what I think about it. Now, they also sent me a headache cap, which is similar, but it goes around your whole head. You'll have to go check that one out. Here is a close-up of all the features of this mask. You see that it has gel infused into the design of it, and that it's to help promote sleep, just like it says there. It's got an adjustable strap. It has a weight to it, and you can use it daily, either hot or cold, which is really nice. And the material that is in the mask is designed to help block out the light, so you can use it also to darken the room where you're sleeping, even if the room isn't 100% dark. Let's open this up and see what it actually looks like inside. I was super impressed with the cold cap from TheraIce. Let's see what's in here. So here is the mask, and they give it to you in this really nice little bag. Don't throw the bag away. They suggest that you store it in this bag when you put it in the freezer to help keep the mask clean. But I'll tell you something, don't throw this bag away either, because it's tough. Put the mask in here, then put the mask in here, and then you can really keep it protected and clean. Now, slide this out just like that. And here is the mask. Kind of hard to see because it's all black, but if you take a look at it, there's like a ridge here, and there's a cooling gel that goes all the way around in this big thick rim. And then there's space in here for your eyes so that the rest of the mask isn't right pressed up against your eyes. There's actually like probably about this much distance between the top of the gel and where the top of the mask is. Now here is the strap. It's a nice wide, soft, stretchy elastic, and adjustment wise, it's really easy to adjust. You just have to pull it this way and pull it that way to adjust it properly. Now, I don't know about you, but I love to sleep with a weighted blanket, and the weight of this mask is actually really soothing as well. And when you look at the specifications on the product description, they actually talk about the weight as being part of the attractive features of this mask, and I think that's probably going to be true as well. They call this a 3D bucket because it creates this space that's all around your eyes where you can't actually see any light. So we're gonna pop it on and see how it feels. So I have the mask on, and I didn't actually adjust it really tight. You can see how it fits. Just not tight. I probably make it a little bit tighter so it doesn't slide down. It's easy to adjust while it's on your head, which I like. One of the things I like about it, I've had sleep masks before, and I found that the mask pushed right up against my eyelids, and it kind of stressed me out a little bit. But I love this 3D bucket. I can actually blink my eyes behind the mask. And here's the other thing. I'm wearing makeup. I have mascara on, and I was kind of annoyed that I was gonna put this mask on and then get mascara everywhere, but I'm blinking my eyelashes and they're not touching the top of the mask here. Now, it fits really nice and comfortable on my face, and I love the pressure. It feels so good. I can imagine when I put this in the freezer and I can feel the cold here and here, and then up around the contour of my nose and across my cheeks. I think it's gonna feel amazing. I'm super excited to give this a try after I popped it in the freezer, but I really like the quality of this mask. The material is soft and smooth, the elastic is stretchy, and the clasp is really easy to adjust. I think this is gonna be awesome, and this TheraIce Sleep Mask is definitely gonna be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.